Welcome to a deep dive into one of the most revolutionary fields of modern science, genetic engineering. Humans have sought ways to enhance their physical and mental capabilities for centuries. But now, with groundbreaking advancements in CRISPR technology and gene editing, these dreams are no longer confined to science fiction. In this documentary, we will explore the science behind genetic manipulation, its potential benefits, ethical dilemmas, and the profound implications for the future of humanity. To truly understand genetic manipulation, we must first delve into the science of genetics. DNA is the blueprint of life, containing all the instructions for building and maintaining an organism. It is composed of 4 chemical bases: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G, arranged in pairs that form the famous double helix structure. Gene editing allows scientists to alter specific parts of the DNA sequence precisely. One of the most revolutionary tools in this field is CRISPR-Cas9, which acts like molecular scissors, cutting out unwanted genes and replacing them with desired ones. This technology has already been used to treat genetic disorders such as sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, and certain types of cancer. The journey of genetic engineering began long before CRISPR. In the 19th century, Gregor Mendel laid the foundation for modern genetics by studying inheritance patterns in pea plants. Later, in 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick discovered the double helix structure of DNA, revolutionizing our understanding of genetics. Over the decades, scientists have made significant strides in mapping the human genome and identifying the roles of specific genes. These breakthroughs paved the way for today's gene editing technologies. Today, genetic modification is being used in a variety of fields. In medicine, gene therapy has shown promise in treating genetic disorders by correcting faulty genes. For example, researchers have successfully treated patients with inherited blindness using gene therapy. Beyond healthcare, genetic engineering is also transforming agriculture, creating crops that are more resistant to pests and environmental conditions. Additionally, scientists are exploring the use of gene editing in animals, from improving livestock health to conserving endangered species. The possibilities of genetic modification for humans are vast. Imagine a world where everyone can live longer, healthier lives, free from the burden of genetic diseases. Scientists believe that gene editing could enhance physical traits such as strength, speed, and endurance, potentially revolutionizing sports and physical performance. It could also improve cognitive functions, leading to higher intelligence, better memory, and enhanced problem-solving skills. These advancements could transform education, the workforce, and even daily life itself. However, the ethical concerns surrounding genetic manipulation cannot be ignored. Who decides what traits are desirable? Could this lead to a new form of ethnic discrimination, where only the wealthy can afford genetic enhancements? There are also fears of unintended consequences, such as mutations or unforeseen side effects. Furthermore, the concept of designer babies raises questions about the value of natural diversity and the essence of humanity itself. Will society become divided between those who can afford genetic upgrades and those who cannot? These are complex issues that require careful consideration and regulation. As genetic technology advances, governments and international organizations face the challenge of regulating its use. Different countries have varying approaches to genetic modification, ranging from strict bans to permissive policies. For example, China has been at the forefront of gene editing research, while many Western countries have adopted more cautious stances. Achieving a global consensus on the ethical and regulatory aspects of genetic manipulation is crucial to ensure its safe and responsible use. Collaboration between scientists, policymakers, and ethicists will be essential in navigating this complex landscape. In conclusion, The prospect of genetically modifying humans is both exciting and daunting. As we continue to explore this frontier, we must balance scientific progress with ethical responsibility. The choices we make today will shape the future of humanity. Will genetic manipulation lead us to a utopia of enhanced beings, or will it create new challenges and inequalities? Only time will tell. Thank you for joining us on this thought-provoking journey into the future of genetic engineering.